Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to set a short vibration for private chat notifications on Telegram. If your phone's vibration feels too long or distracting, this simple adjustment can make your notifications much more subtle and comfortable. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile picture. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to alerts, tones, and vibrations. Now find and tap on Private Chats. This ensures that the changes you make will only apply to your one-on-one conversations, not groups or channels. Scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled Vibrate. Tap on it to view the available vibration patterns. Here, you'll see several options like default, long, short, and possibly others depending on your device. To make your notifications quicker and less intrusive, simply select Short. That's it. Your Telegram private chat notifications will now use a short vibration, making them much more discreet while still keeping you informed. This small tweak can make a big difference, especially if you receive a lot of messages throughout the day. It helps reduce distraction without missing important conversations. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore other notification settings to fully customize your Telegram experience.